Hey there, chart friends. Lamont here from JKS, checking in on the solar sector. And that win name. NEE. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. Tan at an inside bar today. Bulls will take it. Nice defense today. Bulls showed up to buy the dip after 4 straight days of upside. If we can just get some sideways here, the 8 EMA catch up and potentially scoop up price, that'd be ideal. Something like this perhaps would be ideal. Or hey, even this, right? Some inside bars and then just carry on. That'd be nice. We are being mindful of this potential wedge that is shaping up, although I believe we are getting over it from this kind of a look. Well, no, we're struggling with that resistance. So potentially looking at a wedge here. Okay. We kill some of these horizontal levels so that it can be a bit more clear. Dang it. There we go. Oops, that's not it. Okay. So, got this potential daily wedge to be mindful of. We are also struggling to get over this channel median line. However, the hourly trend is still healthy. We put another hourly higher low in today. I believe this was shared the night before. Pretty sure. And bulls were able to set another hourly higher low. However, this was more pullback than bulls would want to see, and we have the potential to set a hourly lower high now. Anything under 93.13 will be one. So if the bears are able to step in tomorrow, defend that low high of 93.13, break to lower lows under 89.49, they'll confirm this hourly downtrend and have us scouting for a daily higher low. Anything over 79.21 will be one. Lots of space to work for that daily higher low. And if we do get that hourly trend change, we'll just be mindful of this previous close over here. If we can get hourly oversold into that level, then I think that would be a decent place to look for that daily higher low. For now, we'll just be a little bit conservative. Hourly oversold is so far away, so for now, we'll just look like that as a potential area for that daily higher low. Okay? It's right there. Alrighty. Okay, JKS trade from yesterday shook out pretty well. Why did I hide it? I gotta start trading JKS instead of TAN. I don't know why I keep trading TAN. Got like a 1% trade on TAN today, but this setup was perfect. Shared the other night. I don't know if it was dead on like that. I'm not sure. This may have moved today, but either way, nice move from the fill zone. Even if you just got that top fill, my goodness, what a mover. Anyway, so hourly higher low is set, but we are testing an area with multiple tops now. And again, you know, one of the benefits of being in a room is I was watching out for it, right? I knew that many tops got put in here, and we just, you know, made a little warning or whatever. Anybody who was in the JKS trade, nobody responded to me, but you know, many tops here got put in, and of course we saw consolidation from there for the rest of the day. So, you know, consider it, even if it's not with us. Make some trading friends. So as you can see, we just kissed that zone of interest for looking potentially short. However, I don't think we were hourly overbought. We were not. Well, we were over here, but yeah, we were not yet, so I wouldn't be too keen on that. And now that we have moved up a bit, maybe we'll refine this a little bit, narrow it down. All right, and just look for that median line test. I have this channel marked off on the 5-minute time frame just because it's looking, you know, whenever you get this healthy consolidation like that, you can mark it off. Mark off this healthy consolidation, and then if it starts to break structure in a meaningful way, then potentially you can make a reactive play on like another time frame, right? If this were to break down, then we'll just be looking for another hourly higher low, and ideally if we can get 5-minute oversold into the 21 EMA, for example, that might be a good play. So maybe we'll set that up for tomorrow. Yeah, maybe looking for an hourly higher low tomorrow, right? In this zone of interest here. Okay. Yep. All right, run another goodie. 3 fills and then a go. Wow, Pretty sweet. So basically, all the trades were better than tan. I really just stopped trading. All right, so we're just watching this daily pennant on run as well. We were looking for that hourly higher low. Bulls bought the dip again. Not enough consolidation that we're looking for a daily higher low now, because they have yet to confirm an hourly downtrend. So if the bears can step in tomorrow, hold this high of 62.48, break this low of 58.75, then we'll continue looking for that daily higher low. But ideally, they'll hold this low of 58.75, break the higher highs over 62.48, and make an attempt at breaking this trend line bullish. So this is enough space too that you could be looking for another hourly higher low, but it's not. I don't think you'd get a 5-minute oversold. You would actually. All right, so maybe we'll try like this, something like that. Okay, zone of interest, looking for a potential hourly higher low. We'll cover the 21 EMA. We know that there's all these levels here. Maybe we'll be a little bit wider with it. Right. And I feel like if you get an hourly higher low here, I don't know actually. It's getting really close to the apex, right? But I do have a bullish lean on this just because, again, we came from a very bullish move and now we're in this big EQ. So, you know, I wouldn't fault you. I like it. Yeah, I like it. But just realize whenever we're getting really close to an EQ, you know, the fake outs become more common. Okay, so a little bit of caution should be applied. Closer you get to the breakout of a consolidation pattern, the more caution you should use. All right. So that's really all we're watching out for a run. If we get a bear breakdown into the support, I'm totally happy to take those shorts there. So basically, these pivots, we'll be looking for like daily pivots. So these are reactive trades for that EQ break, and we just want to make sure we're making those trades in hourly overbought or hourly oversold conditions. All right, so these are the zones of interest for reactive trades, and they might just be very, very short trades because this is a big EQ. When it breaks, you know, there should be a lot of momentum behind it. You can still tighten up for a few more days, maybe even a couple weeks, honestly. Okay, FSLR. Let's see. FSLR did not get into our long zone of interest. Computer lag. Did not get into our long zone of interest, however, it did get into the short zone of interest. We didn't really get. Oh, we were definitely hourly oversold up here, actually. So probably would have want to move this a bit higher up, but 5-minute oversold. Nah, you're fine there. You're fine there. So give you plenty of opportunity to chop up and protect this position, and this is really not what somebody wants to see if you are looking short. However, it is good that we are rejecting just like we anticipated, right? So we're rejecting from these double tops, and we're grinding this channel support that is now potentially resistance. Well, it's acting as resistance right now. So I would not fault you if you swung this. Ideally, you chopped it up a little bit to protect your position. And if you're looking to get bigger tomorrow, then I'd probably move the levels up some more. Or if you're looking to get fresh tomorrow off a new short, I'd probably want to account for that top as well. Something like that. And if you're just riding that short, you know, want to just let the rest of it play out, by all means. Just look for you know, you'll probably want to look to take off some, if not all, at 85.30-ish, just because there have been so many defenses here. But if you have high conviction, for whatever reason, yeah, nothing wrong with that. Holding a short for a potential break there. But if you do hold it through 85.37 and it does break there, then I wouldn't be holding it to, I would definitely be looking to lighten up at 79. So many defenses there. Everything looks fine though, honestly. Weekly time frame is fine, right in the 80 MA. Daily time frame, I had that bear break fake out. So yeah, the odds of getting back into this channel, I think, are pretty good. Okay, knee. So still maintaining that hourly channel, amazing. All right, didn't quite get into our zones of interest for any of these trades. No big deal. Just watching this channel right now. We are range bound, so I really only care about playing these ranges for the most part. So let's check them out. All right, we have the potential for another channel play, but you know, this is really not what you want to see. This is not very, it's not a very impulsive move. So I don't know if I love longs here, and we are looking for a, yeah, this kind of just feels like one move to me. This just feels like one move to me. So for me, I'm looking for a daily lower high, then this is really it. Under 76.13, and I know we're range bound, so I care more about the range. So still looking for those plays up there. If we can get hourly overbought up there, that would be ideal. Something like that maybe. And then if we were to break down to here, then I don't really love that channel play anymore. Honestly, there was a good one the other day, like that one, but still, I would prefer a break down into another test of the chop zone, the previous chop zone, something like that. And I would just be interested in like back testing these bottoms. Okay, that about covers it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all soon.